If you've ever wondered how your favorite streamers create those polished, professional-looking broadcasts, chances are they're using the same free software that's been quietly revolutionizing content creation for over a decade. OBS Studio, which stands for Open Broadcaster Software, isn't just another streaming tool. It's a complete broadcasting powerhouse that's democratized live streaming and recording, putting Hollywood-level production capabilities into the hands of anyone with a computer. What started as a passion project by a single developer has evolved into the backbone of the modern streaming industry, used by everyone from bedroom streamers to major corporations. The beauty of OBS lies in its scenes and sources system, which functions like a television production studio control room. Think of scenes as different camera angles or setups you might switch between during a broadcast. You might have a just chatting scene with your webcam prominently displayed, a gaming scene with your gameplay taking up most of the screen, and a BRB scene with just a background image and some music. Each scene can contain multiple sources, which are the individual elements that make up your broadcast. Sources are where OBS truly shines in its versatility. You can capture your entire display, specific application windows, or even individual browser tabs. The webcam integration goes far beyond just showing your face. You can add multiple cameras, apply real-time filters for color correction, background removal, or even add virtual backgrounds without needing expensive green screen equipment. Audio sources are equally flexible. You can mix your microphone, desktop audio, music files, and even audio from specific applications independently, creating a professional audio mix that rivals traditional radio productions. The real magic happens when you start layering these sources and using OBS's advanced features. The filtering system allows you to transform your content in real time. You can add noise suppression to clean up your microphone audio, use color correction to make your webcam footage look more professional, or apply chroma key filters to remove backgrounds. The Scene Transitions feature lets you switch between different setups smoothly, using fades, cuts, or even custom animations. For content creators who go beyond basic streaming, OBS offers incredibly powerful automation through its scripting system and plugins. You can create custom overlays that display real-time information like recent followers, donation alerts, or even live Twitter feeds. The plugin ecosystem extends OBS's functionality dramatically. There are plugins for advanced audio processing, integration with streaming platforms, custom transitions, and even tools that let you control OBS remotely from your phone. One of the most impressive aspects of OBS is its encoding capabilities. The software can simultaneously stream to multiple platforms while recording a local high-quality copy for later editing. This means you can go live on Twitch while also streaming to YouTube and recording a pristine version for your highlights reel, all from a single setup. The encoding settings are highly customizable, allowing you to balance quality with performance based on your hardware capabilities and internet connection. The learning curve for OBS can seem intimidating at first, but the software's modular design means you can start simple and gradually add complexity. A beginner might start with just a webcam and microphone, then slowly incorporate screen capture, multiple scenes, and custom overlays as they become more comfortable. The active community around OBS has created thousands of tutorials, from basic setup guides to advanced production techniques. What sets OBS apart from proprietary streaming software is its open-source nature. This means it's completely free, with no watermarks, time limits, or premium features locked behind paywalls. The development is community-driven, with contributors constantly improving performance, adding features, and ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware and platforms. This collaborative approach has resulted in software that's incredibly stable and feature-rich, often surpassing expensive commercial alternatives. The impact of OBS on content creation cannot be overstated. It's enabled millions of people to start streaming, podcasting, and creating video content without significant upfront investment. Educational institutions use it for remote learning, businesses for virtual events, and artists for live performances. During the pandemic, OBS became the go-to solution for everything from virtual weddings to corporate presentations. OBS Studio represents one of the best examples of how powerful free, open-source software can be. Whether you're dreaming of becoming the next big streamer, need to create professional presentations, or want to record tutorials, OBS provides all the tools you need to bring your vision to life. The only limit is your creativity. If this deep dive into OBS Studio has inspired you to start your own content creation journey, Make sure to subscribe for more in-depth looks at the tools and techniques that are shaping the digital landscape.